How to check your Discover bank account balance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily check your Discover bank account balance. So whether you are using your Android or desktop, it's the same process. So first thing first, just head over to your results.com from any of your browser and make sure you're currently logged into your online banking account first. And once you successfully log into your account, you just have to come to the home page and simply choose the type of the account you want to see your balance from. So if it's a savings account or checkings accounts, you can just tap on the either of those. And once it's just successfully tap on just make sure you have already logged into your account. Then only it'll be shown over here. So your current and available balance will be displayed along with the recent transactions. And for a detailed view, you can also download monthly statements directly from the dashboard. So always log out after checking your balance, especially if you are on a shared computer. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.